Hey, what's up guys? Thank you so much for watching that video. And if you were watching this video before June 2nd, you have the opportunity to win a brand new drone of your choice. You can choose either the DJI Avata 2 or the DJI Mini 4 Pro. And on top of that, you have a chance to win a free trip to Malta. This recent trip that I went on to Malta, which was hosted by Vlogfest and Visit Malta, was basically a competition where they flew 6 different teams of creators out to compete for 15,000 euros. Both me and my girlfriend Nicole worked really hard on the video, and I'm stoked with how it came out. And how they choose the winner of the competition is basically just by votes. So whoever has the most amount of votes by June 2nd will win. So I wanted to take this opportunity to try to give away a free drone if you guys are willing to help me out. All you have to do is hit the link down below, enter your email, and vote for me. And if I win, I'm going to be choosing one person to give away the free drone. But even if I don't win, you're still going to be entered to win the free trip to Malta. Malta was freaking incredible, so I would love for one of you guys to win it. And if everyone watching this video right now just takes 30 seconds to go vote, I think we have a really good shot of winning. Again, thank you so much for watching this video and voting, and let's freaking win this thing. Hopefully the next time you see me, I'll be announcing who won the drone.